Guys, I will read the crayon box that talk. Would it be terrible? Would it be sad if just one single color was the color that we had? If everything was purple, or red, or green, if pink or orange was all that could be seen, can you just imagine how dull the world would be? Just one single color was all we got to see. So I'm done reading it, and I will answer the following questions that Sir Joey said. How did you interpret the poem? So I interpret it because it has a meaning. For example, the earth is black, full black. It's a little bit boring or very boring, and it's all full of sad peoples and angry peoples. That's why God made the earth colorful, so it won't be boring and full of other colors and mood. And the earth would be beautiful and graceful to see, because if just one single color, it will be boring and you may not see colorful rainbows. The color of the trees is all black or every color. That's why God made the earth beautiful and graceful to see and colorful. That's how I interpret the question and the poem. Is it okay to be different? Why or why not? Yes, it's okay, because all colors are colors. When you see a green, it is a green. And the earth is full of graceful, full of trees and clean sea, ocean, like that, animals, and yeah, it's okay to be different. We just all street or like the same. Nobody's different. We're all same. God made us the same. No one is different in the world. Everyone is perfect. God made us perfect and same. Nobody is different. That's why I answered the question. No, we're not all. It's okay to be different. That's why no, it's okay to be different. But it's like, no, we're not different. We're all the same. For example, one man is rich and one man is poor, they're all the same. Like my finger, see? This is the rich man, this is the poor man. Look, it's just the same. Nobody's different. We're all the same. The only different is colors, because black and white, they're not the same. But people, humans, God made, we're all the same. Always remember, we're all the same. We never been different. We don't be like this. No. That's why we have fingers. This is the purpose of our fingers. This one is the same. This one also. This one. Also this. We're all the same. My hand. Look, they're the same. Our color. And yellow. We're not different. Nobody's different. So that's it. This is my performance test, sir. And I hope you like it. Bye.